The competition in the global auto industry is arguably the highest. More unique versions have been introduced yearly. Different categories rise or fall in popularity depending on the trends at the time. The pickup segment is the only one of all vehicle categories to consistently show growth. Light trucks have seen an increase this year of 4.7%. Serious businesses are encouraged to participate in the competition by these facts. A truck's strength and durability are no longer sufficient. Trends indicate that consumers are more willing than ever to spend a higher price to live in luxury. And now Toyota intends to enter the competition with its high-end brand Lexus. The high-end vehicle brand of Toyota has declared its aim to enter the truck market. The idea of a workhorse is one Lexus is flexible to, according to Takashi Watanabe, the brand's president. However, in the future we will be driving electric vehicle development for the Toyota Group, and in so doing we want to be able to offer as many options as possible. If there is a strong need from consumers for Lexus to release or launch a pickup, it's a matter of a possibility in the future, Watanabe-san stated. Mind you, if it receives the green light for manufacturing, it will have an electric drivetrain, making it future-proof. At the moment, it is unknown whether the rumored Lexus truck would ride on an existing platform, maybe one derived from the Tundra and Tacoma like the TNGAF, or if it will be constructed using a brand new architecture specifically designed for EVs. It's evident that, in order to maximize its potential, the building would need to be built to support electric vehicles, perhaps with a little 800-volt technology for faster charging. Watanabe-sen made reference to Lexus' recent declaration that its contribution to Toyota's effort to create a society free of carbon emissions is focused on battery electric vehicles, EVs. This announcement is in line with a rumored 500-mile Lexus EV, which is anticipated to be unveiled at the Japan Mobility Show next month, before to its 2026 arrival. Since we are an affiliate of Toyota, Watanabe-san continued, Lexus has a different role to play as a brand than Toyota, and that would also be true for GR. The fact that it is unclear whether this model will be a unibody or a body-on-frame proposal leaves room for interpretation. While we lean toward the latter, which would make it more potent off the illuminated road, the reality is that it may end up being the former. It cannot therefore utilize the TNGAF, which supports not only the Tacoma and Tundra, but also the Land Cruiser, Sequoia, and Lexus LX and GX. Rendering artists have tried their hand at it, despite the fact that nobody who is not directly involved in the project understands anything about it. These digital renderings, which were created by K-Design AG on Instagram, speculate on the design of a Lexus pickup truck based on the latest Toyota Tacoma models. A hybrid of a Rebadge and Rebadged idea, it presents it with a fresh look thanks to new headlights, a different grille, a different bumper, and a different hood. The only changes to the back end are the addition of the Lexus badge in place of the Tacoma name on the tailgate, and the removal of the TRD emblems from the quarter panels. The blue exterior paint finish is the same. In order to stand out even more, a potential premium take would require a more upscale interior with leather upholstery and higher-end trim, as well as some changes to the two main screens. The wheels are new and slightly larger than those fitted to the actual Toyota truck. There aren't many luxury automakers that produce pickup trucks. Tesla, considered a luxury automaker, is preparing to market the Cybertruck, but it hasn't yet reached customers. There is just one existing premium marque that sells one at the moment, and that is GMC with the Canyon, Sierra, and Hummer EV. The X-Class was a Mercedes-Benz model that was sold in the past, but it was a commercial failure, and the carmaker has already ruled out a return. Having said that, if Lexus ever produces an electric luxury truck, it will be competing in a very narrow market that has shown to be difficult to sell for electric-powered vehicles and a failure for badly executed ICE models. We'll see if Tesla's attempts with the Cybertruck will break the trend. However, the future of a Lexus pickup truck remains unclear. Given their knowledge of the possibility of failure in the electric pickup market, Lexus is taking their time to develop the necessary strategies. Could their plan persuade you to give up with your hard-earned money for it? though, if they were to approve it. While waiting, let's check the upcoming 2024 GMC Hummer EV pickup. Officially rolling off the assembly line in Michigan for the 2022 model year, the GMC Hummer EV pickup had its grand appearance in October 2020. Today, the most recent 2024 GMC Hummer EV pickup is expected to bring about a number of significant improvements and upgrades over the previous 2023 model year. Two entry-level trim options, designated as the 2 and 2X, are just a few of the many changes that the 2024 GMC Hummer EV pickup will bring about. For the 2024 model year, they will complement the 3X, which has the greatest range. Instead of the 3-motor system included with the 3X trim level, the GMC Hummer EV2 and 2X will both have a 2-motor drivetrain. As originally announced during the 2020 Hummer EV's launch, the output for the 2 and 2X is anticipated to be around 625 horsepower. The GM Ultium battery and GM Ultium drive motor technologies come standard with all trim levels. It is supported by the GM BT1 platform. Let's dig deeper into the 3X model. The 2023 GMC Hummer EV 3X pickup truck was already an outstanding truck because it could go up to 355 miles on a single charge. More so, in fact, because of its Watts to Freedom launch mode, crab walk feature, and expandability with its virtual auxiliary switches. The 2024 GMC Hummer EV 3X pickup will travel almost 400 miles on a single charge thanks to a brand new 24-module battery pack developed by GM engineers, who evidently felt this wasn't enough. The 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R, a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 powered truck that is nearly equal in price and performance, has a full-up range of 432 miles, while the 2024 GMC Hummer EV 3X pickup's range of 381 miles, in ideal conditions, is comparable. That is, until you consider how much fuel is required to fill the 36-gallon tank in the F-150's top-tier model. In any case, GMC will equip the 3X with a new 24-module battery pack that is optional, which is what is responsible for the longer range. If you choose the Extreme Off-Road package, which includes 35-inch mud tires mounted on 18-inch wheels, the range does decrease. Your range will be reduced from 381 miles to 359 miles, but it will still be 4 miles longer than the standard 2023 GMC Hummer EV 3X pickup and 30 miles longer than a vehicle with the same choices from 2023. You may be curious as to whether the 2024 GMC Hummer EV 3X pickup will use the Tesla-designed NACS charging connector, given the recent news about automakers switching to it. No, GM will not, sadly. While the 2024 GMC Hummer EV will still use the SAE J1772 CCS combo charger, GM will be moving to the NACS charger port by that time. To access the dependable and practical Tesla supercharging network, you'll need to use an adapter. GMC stated that the price of the 2024 GMC Hummer EV 3X pickup will be $106,945, but it withheld the price of the 24-module pack and the optional Extreme Off-Road package. Likewise, it won't be into production until later in 2023. Reservations may only be made later this fall. Having said that, are you excited about a Lexus pickup truck, or are you still dreaming of the upcoming Toyota Stout? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.